I can't eat them myself.
Eat a few. Eat the colours you don't want to use for the gingerbread man, okay? You need to put some icing on there to make it stick.
엘로펜 만들었지, 엄마가. 눈이 너무 크다. 이게 안 돼. 큰일 났다. 이거 어떻게 하니? 응?
여기 싱크인데. 아이고.
이렇게 해, 그냥. 머리.
Yeah, Hannah. You can do it.
야! 하지 마.
아니,
These guys look like ninjas.
No.
But this one's scary.
We're going to do the sprinkle to make it pretty. Don't worry.
Remember, you can stick a Smartie in your spot, Hannah.
Wow, this one's pretty.
What's that? So we give him some buttons?
Yeah.
Do you want to choose the Smarties that you're going to put on his buttons?
I want to get a different color.
Yeah, that's cool. Give him a little squash so they stick down. Nice. He's still got a scary face. The sparkles make them pretty. I'm not sure. These guys have eyes and nose and mouth.
The chocolate is not working. What can I do?
These guys are terrorists.
Sprinkle.
That's alright, we can eat them first.
Sprinkle terrorist.
Look at that little elephant.
하나, 이거는 버튼이야. 초콜릿 올리지 마.
Oh, Mummy doesn't want buttons on hers.
Hey.
테일이 없네?
How about this guy? Yeah, his tail's sort of curled up, I think.
I want to eat this.
Wait, I was going to give him 2 orange eyes.
I want to eat this.
이거 먹어, 하나.
He's not quite so scary then. Oops, it doesn't go sideways, does it? How's your face today? Looks okay. Doesn't hurt. That's good.
엄마, 이거 한번 먹을까? 엄마, 한번 먹을까?
Oh, that's better. Now they've got pink hair.
No, hairband.
Hairband.
Smile.
What about this guy?
Smile.
He needs a little help.
daddy, 웃기지 마.
Oh, I can hear you.
엄마,